How to watch rent movies on Amazon Prime. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can rent and watch those movies on Amazon Prime, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you don't want to buy the whole subscription of Amazon Prime and if you only want to rent a certain movie, you can do that, but remember that not all movies are available for rent. Only some of the ones that Amazon Prime does allow you to watch via renting, you can rent that movie. But you have to simply go to this little store tab or wherever else, and you can see free trials, rent or buy, subscribe, rent or buy, rent or buy, rent or buy. So only the one that says rent are available for renting. So if I want to rent a certain movie, I'll select that. I can rent the movie in Ultra HD quality, which is 4K, for $5.99 US, that's $6, or I can buy the whole movie and watch whenever I want. Now renting will only allow you maybe for a certain day or something like that, I'm not sure, but if you want to buy the movie, you can pay $20 and you'll have them for lifetime whenever you open Prime Video. Or you can go to more purchase options. If you want to rent it, tap on rent, then you can just tap on the OK option and then you'll be able to rent them. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.